Good evening, guys. Okay, let's see about the statement. Okay, statement in JDBC. Okay, we have seen those examples right yesterday. So today we will see about the statement. What is statement and something? Okay, open notepad and say. Okay, so statement is a statement. So this is an interface in JDBC. Okay, this is a interface in JDBC. Okay. Okay, statement is an interface in JDBC. If you see the declaration of the statement, let's just see the declaration of statement. So now I say here I'll be writing something called okay. So if I open this declaration, just see here this statement is a interface. Okay. So this is a interface. Statement is a interface. Okay, which is used to execute queries. Okay, of SQL, update queries. Okay, close connections. Okay, gets maximum rows. These are all the supported methods in a statement interface. Okay, the same. So what does it do? This interface statement interface provides us methods to execute queries with the database. Okay, execute queries with the database. Okay, so this the most commonly used methods are methods which are most commonly used are the first one is uh, execute query. Okay, execute query method. So where it will be stored, where these methods are stored. So for statement, is a factory of result set. Okay, so yesterday we have stored some data in our result set, right? So like this, uh, we have printed here. So we wrote something like result set rs is equals to SMT dot, just set like SMT dot execute execute query, right? This one, right? So this one helps. This is a result set where our way this statement is stored. Okay, wherever these methods are executed, we call them as this as a factory of the statement. Okay, factory of the statement. And the next method which we use more frequently is execute update. Okay, execute update. So this is used for executing queries such as uh, select, okay, which are used to retrieve data. Okay, and this is for using updates like update, delete, okay, etc. methods. Okay, update, delete, etc. methods. Okay, just a second, guys. So next method is execute method. Okay, just execute method. Okay, this method is used to execute multiple queries. Okay, use it to execute multiple queries. This is used to execute multiple queries. Okay, and the next method is execute batch. Execute batch. Okay, and it returns an array. Okay, and it returns an array. Okay, so it is used to execute commands in batches. It is used to commands in batches. Okay, it is used to execute commands in batches. Okay, this is about the statement, guys. Okay, this is a theory part of a statement. Okay, and then next we'll be seeing about the another one, which is next one, result set. Okay, so this is an object. Okay, result set is a just this is a class which in which we create object rs. Okay, so what this object do, this object points a cursor to a row of the table, to a row of a table, okay, to the row of a table, okay, so that we can process that row, okay. So in this result set, we have just wrote, right, we have just wrote a method in the while loop, right, rs dot next, right, next, right. So this is a one method which is used to retrieve data, okay. So like this, there are some methods in this result set, okay. So what are those methods? Let's see each and every method. What are those methods in the sense? Just say those methods. The first method is next. Okay, what does this do? So it is used move the cursor, move the cursor to, okay, it is used to move the cursor from, used to move the cursor to one row next to the cursor position. Like it just whenever the row is updated, it just executes and executes, okay. Like it just checks for the row, okay. So and there is one more method which is previous, okay, is used to move the cursor, okay. Previous method is used to take data in backwards. Our next works is it is completely opposite to the next, okay. So next method is first, okay. Next method is first. What it does is it is used to retrieve the data from the first row, okay. It is used to from the okay database table, okay. Next one is last, okay. It is used to retrieve the data from the last row of the database table. And one more method which we say is absolute, and it takes in row, okay. It takes a row. So why it is used? It is used to retrieve the data from the specified row of the database table, okay. This is used to retrieve the data from the specified database table, okay. Okay, let's see how we can use these. Just go to our database and say we have done these things, right? Just go for this one and just say rs result set execute query java sql execute query should be string what will be query. Okay, and just say this. Okay, and now I'll say we'll be closing the connection right here. What I'll say is rs dot select this one and give rs dot first. Okay, let's see what happens here. If I run this one, I'll say we need to say sys2, right? Sys0 and say rs dot get string of one, and what it is of id, right? And next say sys0 name rs dot get string and 2. Okay, and then say sys0 what is the next thing, branch, right? Branch rs dot string of 3. Okay, save this one and run this one. See what happens. Execute query connection con smt dot select star from, yeah, everything is fine here. For creating a statement we need to place sensitive and set then result set dot anchor updatable, then save and run. You should get it right now. System or else I'll say we need to get heavy FOLUT absolute of 1. Save and run. What happened to this? See, we got the data. Okay, we got the data here by using first. If I say last here, we will retrieve the data from the last row. Okay, we will retrieve the data from the last row, and I can say absolute, and I can pass a parameter or say true and enter. It will retrieve the data of the second row. Okay, it will retrieve the data of the row number 2. Okay, like this we can pass use create statement. Okay, like this we can use create statement. And what is the next method? First lost previous. Okay, next. Yeah, okay, now just see about those results it got completed and prepared statement, guys. Next thing is prepared statement. Okay, so this is a this is also an interface, and it is a sub interface to the statement interface. Okay, this is a sub interface to the statement interface. Okay, so why we use this one? So we use this one for passing parameterized queries. Okay, is used to execute the parameterized queries. Okay, like just say we can pass those values dynamically. I said right, just say string sql is equals to, I'll say insert into cmr college of question mark comma question mark comma question mark comma question mark, like this. Okay, like this parameterized queries we can pass in. Okay, so improve. What is the benefit of this one when compared to statement? What is the benefit of this one when compared to statement? It is improves the performance. Okay, improves the performance. By using this one, the performance of the application will be faster when compared to the statement class. Okay, so it do got methods such as um, methods such as set int. Okay, set string. Okay, set double. Okay, execute update, and execute query. Okay, So why this set int and set string set double are used? So set int and set double are used for setting the integer values for the parameterized. Okay, setting the integer values for the parameter index. Like it, the set int takes int param. Okay, these are param is this one. Okay, this one, the first one, or the number. Okay, we can provide this here any number, so that it considers each question mark. Each number is for each question mark. Number one is for first question mark, number two is for second question mark, number three is for third, number four is for fourth question mark. Okay, and then its value. Okay, its value int value. Okay, okay, and this one takes int param and takes string value. Okay, and string value. Okay, and this one takes int param and double value. Okay, int param and double value. Next, set float. And another one is set float. This also takes int param and float value. Okay, like this. Okay, these are the methods. Why we use these things? Just see here, when we have used that. Where is this one? Where I have created yesterday's class. Java class one. I think similarity. Yeah. So here, no, not this one. Date 25. JDBC retrieve data. Okay, here also we have used this thing. CMR college. Okay, so yesterday we saw, right? Let's do it again here. Let's see how we can set those values. Instead of writing this one, we say prepared statement is equals to con dot prepare statement. Okay, con dot prepare statement, and we say we'll remove those parameters inside this one. And we'll pass our values. What are they? Insert into CMR college, and values are question mark, question mark, question mark. Okay, and then we close this one like this, and then we remove this one, and then we assign those values. Assign those values and say what we assign them. Just smt dot set string. Why string? Why string? Because in our database we have given our tables as varchars. Okay, let's see what we have given in our database. See what I have given when I use description: varchar 2, varchar 2, varchar 2, which means these are strings. Okay, which means these are strings. Okay, which means these are strings, guys. So what we do is we just say set string. Okay, set string. Okay, and then we say smt dot set string to, and say can be null, right? And we'll be giving some string value here. Yes, id will be 20q p1 a0576. And this one name, let's say Ankit, and say smt dot set string, and the third row, and it should be branch, right? He is from branch, we say CSM, and then this result, this gives a int. Okay, this gives after executing the update, this update gives a this prepared statement. When we write it to insert values, it doesn't return any result set, it just returns us one integer. Okay, it just returns us one integer. It gives us one integer. Okay, okay, after that we say syso, why system.out, so that we know that one row is executed or one row is updated. Okay, like this, and we'll say save this one and run this one, and we see updated row is updated. Yeah, need to return some integer. SMT dot and I need to say execute update here. Yeah, now just say change the number 77 to 66, Ankit to Ankush. Okay, and he is from CSM. Save this one and run this one, and it will return, yeah, one row is updated. And if I go to my database and say select star from CMR college and enter, see Ankit and Ankush both got updated. Okay, both got added into our table. Okay, both got added into our table. Okay, this is how we use prepared statement. Okay, this is how we use prepared statement. Okay, so I can also delete values. Okay, I can also delete values, where I can say in this query, just say delete from TMR college, where id is equals to question mark. Okay, where id is equals to question mark, and I'll say I'll remove all these, and I'll say simply give the id and execute this one. So see, one row is updated or one row is deleted. Now see what I say, this one, See, Ankush got deleted. Okay, Ankush got deleted. Okay. Okay. By using this prepared statement, we can also retrieve the data. We can also retrieve the data. Like same, we say we need to write it here. Select star from PMR college. Okay. And we'll write it in a while loop. How? Just say, just remove this one and same here result set. Okay. RS and say query and we'll say while rs dot next is o, the same id rs dot get string of 1. Control C and Control V with id name and run this row. See, I got each and every row. Okay. For each and every row, I say quick. See here, I got each and every row here. Pranav, Tejas, Ramesh, something, some, and Ankit. Okay, like this, we can also retrieve data using prepared statement. Okay, is it clear? Okay, okay, guys, is it clear? So this is it for today's class, guys. Okay. So we'll be discussing about servlets and JSP from tomorrow. Okay. From tomorrow we'll be discussing about servlets and JSP, and we'll be seeing an example of how we can write data in the front end and get it from back end. Okay. Get it to back end. Okay.